Vivo X50 Pro design has been revealed. So what's up guys, and welcome back to our brand new video about the Vivo X50 series. In this video, we're gonna talk about some incredible features and leaks about the Vivo X50 and X50 Pro. So without wasting time, let's hop into the video. As the Vivo X50 and X50 Pro are set to launch on June 1st in China, along with the Vivo Y70s, we are getting tons of leaks and informations about the device from legit sources. The company recently shared a teaser video in which it shows the gimbal-like stabilization on the X50 Pro that will seemingly have the ability to rotate in almost any direction. We recently got the live image of Vivo X50 Pro which reveals its design. So let's talk about the X50 Pro first, and then only we will talk about X50. The Vivo X50 Pro live image gives us a clear look about the design of the smartphone. We can see a punch hole cut out at the top left corner to house the selfie camera and has a slightly curved edge. And if we look at the back, we can see a rectangular camera module with Pro branding which shows off the gimbal camera along with 3 regular sensors. The gimbal is responsible to capture a high stable photos and videos, which is quite impressive. We can also see the volume and power buttons are present on the right hand side of the phone. Talking about the key specs, the Vivo X50 Pro will have a 6.5 inches display and will be powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 Plus with 8GB of RAM. The phone will have 4200 mAh battery, which is pretty good for mid-range phone. According to 91 Mobiles, the Vivo X50 Pro will be available in $502.88. And we also know that the Vivo X50 Pro is likely to feature Samsung's new 50 megapixel ISOCELL GN1 camera sensor. This is the brand new sensor which is rumored to debut from X50 Pro. One of the Vivo's product manager boosted how the phone will bring a sensor with 2.4 pixels and 1x1.3 sensor size. Like we reported in our previous video, this sensor is capable to output 100 megapixel image. This sensor offers both dual pixel and tetracell technologies with larger pixel size, which results in incredible low light performance. The lens was launched only a few days ago, and if this leak comes true, then Vivo X50 Pro will be the first phone to sport Samsung's new camera, and it also consists of 13 megapixel of selfie camera. Now let's talk about the Vivo X50. The Vivo X50 is rumored to have a 6.56-inch Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display with 180 by 2376 pixels resolutions and 90Hz refresh rate. We heard that the phone will be powered by Snapdragon 765G SoC, which comes with an integrated 5G modem and high speed especially made for gaming. Talking about the camera, the phone will have the quad camera setup at the back, which features 48 megapixel of primary sensor, a 13 megapixel of Samsung 55K 3L6 lens, an 8 megapixel Omni Vision telephoto lens, and an 8 megapixel of ultra wide angle lens. The phone is said to have 4315 mAh battery and also supports 33 watt fast charging. Most importantly, the Vivo X50 will also have a 3.5mm audio jack, an AK4377A hi-fi audio chip, and an in-display fingerprint sensor. It is likely to have 6GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, and is rumored to be available in just $264.73. So that's all we know about the Vivo X50 and X50 Pro till now, and as always, there is still more to come. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel for latest tech updates.